Hello everyone, myself Akshay. Today I will discuss with you the illness of respiratory system. So, there are various illness or disorders caused to the respiratory system that we will discuss one by one here. So first, asthma. Asthma, it is a chronic inflammatory disorder which causes breathing problems or difficulty in breathing due to the narrowing of the airways, the way or the passage through which the air we intake gets narrowed by inflammation or by blocking of the mucus, which is called asthma. There is no proper treatment for the asthma yet, but the common symptoms of the asthma are wheezing, coughing, tightness in the chest, and shortness in breathing. Secondly, chronic obstructive pulmonary disorder, which is classified into two parts, that is emphysema and chronic bronchitis. Emphysema develops when the tiny air sac like structures present in the lungs that we call alveoli gets damaged and loses its elasticity, due to which the intake of oxygen gets reduced while the excess of carbon dioxide gets stored over there, which causes toxicity over there and damage to the organ, due to which it may lead to hypoxia. And chronic bronchitis, where the lining of the bronchis get irritated or inflamed, due to which the passage of air gets reduced and it may get blocked by the secreted mucus, which can be in the greater production. Symptoms of chronic obstructive pulmonary disorder are continuous secretion of mucus and chronic coughing, then sound coming while we breathe in, that squeezing or whistling sound, then tightness in the chest, due to which shortness of breathness occurs, then sweatness in legs and weight loss and some other damages can be observed. Then tuberculosis, it is a bacterial disease caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, due to which the tissues of the lungs gets damaged. It causes to the people who have weaker immune system, due to which it slowly and builds and causes damage to different organs of the body and parts of the body. Symptoms that can be observed are chronic coughing for continuously 3 weeks, then high chest pain, then poor appetite, weight loss, fever, and night sweats. Now, bronchitis. Bronchitis is a condition which develops when the windpipe gets irritated or inflamed. As due to the inflammation caused to the windpipe, there is difficulty in the passage of air, and due to which secretion of mucus gets exceeded, due to which blocking may occur and difficulty in breathing can be observed. Symptoms of bronchitis are high chest pain, then poor appetite, weight loss, continuous chronic coughing. Now, pneumonia. Pneumonia is another condition where the tiny sac like structure of the lungs, that is alveoli, gets affected by the viruses. That viruses carries a fluid or a pus, which they fill the alveoli with the fluid or the pus, due to which the ability of the alveoli to exchange the oxygen and carbon dioxide gets reduced. Several type of pneumonia are bacterial, viral, mycoplasma, fungal, and aspiration. Symptoms that can be seen are vomiting, coughing, sneezing, whistling, fever, chills, diarrhea, and heavy chest pain. Thank you.